Sure, I can guide you on how to create animated videos using AI. I'll give you 3 important things to consider to successfully make cartoon videos. 1. Character and audio. Choose a character and upload an audio file from your device or record your voice dialogue. 2. Customization. Preview your animation and audio. Customize the character or background as desired. 3. Download. Download your new animation to save or share. You will enter your browser and then type Adobe Animation YouTube Free. You will touch the Adobe website labeled Free Animation Maker for YouTube. After opening, you will go to the section labeled Make Animations for YouTube. Then you will choose the character you want to use in your video. After choosing the character, we have another section that allows us to choose the background of the video. These are all backgrounds that you can use, but there are also different colors that you can use, for example, green and others. Don't forget that you can upload the background from your device. Another important part is the size part. Here allows you to choose what size you want your video to be. As we see, there are various sizes used on social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and others. Record. The record section allows you to record your voice while speaking. But there is also a part that allows you to choose the audio that you have already prepared for the project. Touching the part of choose an audio file will take you to the storage of your device so that you can upload the audio. When you have finished recording the sound or uploading the audio, you will touch the word done. It will take you to the trim section to remove the part that you think is wrong. Then there is the word download. If you touch it, your video will go directly to your device. Remember, you cannot download your video or project if you are not signed in on this website. If you touch download, it will take you to the sign section. If you sign in other projects, it will not take you to the sign, because you are already signed. You will be able to download immediately.